In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix yellow teeth using Snapseed. So let's just import an image by clicking the plus icon and then let's choose an image. So I'm gonna import this one. Let me just click on that real quick. So once the image is imported, there's a bunch of pre-made presets right here. You can choose any of them and take a look at it to see if your teeth is wider. But the second option is that you want to go to the tools option right here, and then you're going to choose the brush option located right here. So now we want to choose the exposure, so temperature one right here, and then we want to set the temperature to -5 by just clicking this downward button. So once you're done with it, you're gonna take your finger and move it around the teeth just once or twice gently. So this is how you fix yellow teeth using Snapseed, guys. Once you're done with your changes, you want to click on the check mark in order to save your changes, and that is it. This is how you fix yellow teeth using Snapseed. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.